Hi guys, so this is our silk topper and this is exactly how you receive it. It comes with a straight center part, and in case you're not a fan of how straight the parting is or you want to change the part to any other direction, this is what you do. You basically wet the roots of the topper and part it in any direction that you like. So here, as you can see, I have parted it left and it's not as even, so it looks more natural. Now you can do the same with the right part. You basically choose a part that you like and you're used to and part the topper accordingly. Now here I've done a more cleaner part, and it's basically up to you how you want to style it, right? Now if you're someone who doesn't like a parting at all and want to just back comb the topper, you basically push all of the hair back. But yeah, that's how easy it is to change the part. So once you're happy with the way the part looks, and this is how you usually part your hair, you go ahead and blow dry the hair in the respective directions of the hair that's parted. So you basically do this until the topper dries, and for the front bit I've actually blow dried it in this direction because this actually will help you blend the topper with your own hair. Now this is the final result. This entire process actually helps depuff the topper as well. So I recommend anybody who gets a topper to first do this before they put it on, because this will help set the topper much better.